In a world of copy paste, how do you win? You just do what everyone else does, right? You copy and paste. And if it works, it works. They want you to stay poor. They want you to keep doing these exact same strategies you see on YouTube, you see everyone everywhere else. And I get a ton of questions on how do I run my TikTok ads? How do I build my product pages? How do I do all these things? When in reality, most of the solution of these things is you being more creative and exploring your own journey and being able to figure out what works and what doesn't work. Yes, you can find some information on YouTube. I post a ton of free stuff, guys. If you want to follow me, go ahead, you like this video and subscribe. But a lot of this is the same cookie cutter BS since 2016, 2017, 2018, and so on. It's the same product pages. It's the same products being sold. It's the same type of landing page setup. Have a couple GIFs on it, right? And it's funny because think about it. The customer is getting so much smarter than ever before. And a lot of people wonder why their conversion rates are so poor. A lot of times, too, is because your product or your store just doesn't look trustful at all. Now, I've seen a ton of conversion rates start to dip. Obviously, we're going into recession or are already in a recession, but they're starting to dip because of the trust factor and the current economy and market. And that's the thing. People expect to launch general stores, launch a ton of different products without trust or having any type of, glorified landing page that works for them, and they see failure, right? The conversion is going to drop. But what if you did something different? What if you, watching this video right now, actually took a step back, saw what was working right, what are other people doing, and how you can transform that idea or do the complete opposite? Think about this. How many people watch the same YouTube videos on about dropshipping, e-commerce, TikTok ads, whatever, right? Everyone's doing that strategy. One, think about it. What is this person's motive for sharing the information? Are they a good person? Or are they trying to sell something to you? Or, they want you to join their Discord for, obviously a paid membership. And that's what you have to think too. Does this strategy actually work, or are people selling it to make some money themselves, right? A lot of people sell the shovels, right? But they can't actually do anything they say. And I think that's something that you need to explore and learn on your own. And that's the beauty about, doing this stuff. A lot of people always want this specific strategy. You only use it for guidelines to create your own. So if you've ever gone through my channel about TikTok ads, dropshipping, e-commerce, all of that should just be stepping stones for you to build your own type of strategies, right? That's how you're going to learn the most, and that's how you're going to be able to become more creative. Think inside the box, not outside the box, because everyone else is already thinking outside the box. My friend Kai told me about that one. It's so true, right? Everyone tells you to think outside the box, but if everyone's thinking outside the box, you're no different than everyone else. So just stay in. And that brings me to the point too about just finding products. Start pioneering products, right? Start testing new things. If everyone's selling the same damn product 100 different times, okay, maybe you're going to change the offer. Maybe you'll change the landing page, but it's still the same product. So do with that information as you please. But I just want to make this video, guys, to tell you that whatever you see online, it should be able to form your own thoughts and actual real strategies on your own. You don't take something, right, and then say, oh, it's going to work for me because it worked for them. Well, guess what? 99% of the time, it doesn't work for you. So you have to use these strategies that people give, that I give, that other people give, and formulate your own thinking. Seriously, think about this. How many of your actual thoughts are your own thoughts? Probably less than 1%. And that's the same, I'm in the same boat. I'm actually trying to develop my own way of thinking and develop my own, way of thinking of these thoughts, because a lot of this is just taught into you as you grew up, right? And you can't actually think for yourself. So take a step back, think for yourself, make your store actually look like a real brand. Would you buy from this? Look at other professional brands like, these large companies, right, that are crushing it and doing well. What are they, perceiving to the customer? What are they offering to the customer? What can you do that they can do, and put your little spin on it? Stop copying and pasting, because dropshipping will ruin your mindset on creating a long-lasting brand, being more creative with your ads, being more creative with your landing pages, and actually caring about the customer. So you're not just a dropshipper if you're watching this and you do dropshipping, right? You're not just an e-commerce owner if you're just an e-commerce owner, right? Never stick to your identity to one thing, because you're greater than that, and you're more than just that. So guys, I just want to make this quick video to tell you about going through systems, building your own stuff, getting more creative, and not just being a copy and paste cog in the system. If you enjoyed this video, guys, and you got any value, drop a like, subscribe to the channel. And I really don't make many videos like this, but there are times where I feel like I just have to share some of my thoughts with you guys. So yeah, also Spy Talk releasing soon. I keep saying 1 to 2 weeks, but it should be coming out very, very shortly. Make sure you go in the link description, sign up for the beta discount. First 100 people are going to get that grandfathered for life at that price point. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys for this video. I can't wait to make the next one. Peace.
How many millions did I make this year? Maybe 12. All I need's a couple weeks to make it 13. Me, I can stay in touch and still be out of your reach.